Is your PC using too much RAM even when you're doing nothing? Today, I'll show you two simple Windows settings you can disable to instantly free up memory and improve system performance. No downloads, no complicated tweaks. If your computer is slow, lags when opening apps, or struggles with multitasking, your RAM usage might be the problem. Windows run many background services that consumes memory even when you don't need them. I will show you two simple tweaks that can help reduce RAM usage. 1. Disabling the sysmain service. Now on your keyboard, type Windows R. Here, type services.msc. Tap on Enter. Now scroll down and look for sysmain. There we have it. Double click on it to launch it. Another background service that can consume RAM is sysmain. You see, you don't need it at all, especially if you're using SSD. So now we're going to disable it. As seen here, it says automatic. Expand this and change it to disabled. Go right here, click on stop. This is going to stop the services. Click on apply. Now click on OK. This prevents Windows from preloading apps into memory, which can help reduce memory usage on some systems. That is it about the sysmain. Close the services. Next, we will disable one particular widget that constantly runs in the background and use both RAM and CPU resources. Right-click on your taskbar, click on Taskbar Settings. Under Taskbar Items, go on to Widget and disable it. Now this stops the widget panel from running background processes and reduces unnecessary RAM usage. Now I'm going to give you one bonus tip right here. This is very powerful and highly recommended. Now right click on your taskbar, select Task Manager. On your left, you want to click on Startup Apps. Startup apps are one of the biggest reasons your computer uses too much RAM and takes longer to boot. Now we're going to disable some of these apps. We're not going to disable everything. Try not to disable any app that is related to your computer. For example, you don't want to disable anything that has to do with your computer brand. Okay, now to disable these apps, just right click on it and click on disable. Now you can also highlight on it and click on disable at the top right there. I'm just going to continue on with this one. Disable it. What's up? Disable it. Disabling just a few startup apps can instantly reduce RAM usage and make your PC boot much faster. Now after doing all the steps, restart your computer and you should notice some improvement in your RAM performance. That's gonna be all for now. Remember to subscribe to this channel, leave this video a like and share your thoughts at the comment section. Have a nice day guys. Peace out.